This is a video about self-archiving by Turku University Library. Self-archiving is also called parallel publishing. It means that the publication is archived openly available in a public repository that is independent from the original publisher. Self-archiving is Green Open Access Publishing. Self-archiving is open access OA publishing, which helps the research results to spread widely. It also increases the transparency of science. Self-archiving meets the funder's requirements of open access publishing, and it aims at immediate openness. OA publishing brings more money to the university since Ministry of Education and Culture pays for openly published articles 1.2 times compared to non-OA articles. Self-archiving does not include any payments for researchers. It also ensures the long-term availability of publications. If the research article is published open access, it is possible to self-archive the publisher's PDF. This is the final version that equals to the published one. In other cases, it is possible to self-archive the final draft, which is also called Author-Accepted Manuscript, AAM, or postprint. This version is accepted to be published. It includes the changes suggested by the peer review, but not the publisher's proofreading or layout. Preprint is the manuscript suggested for publication. It is not yet peer-reviewed, nor are there any guarantees of publishing at this point. Preprints are not archived in UTU-CRIS. Open science license, for example Creative Commons or CC license, allows self-archiving of the publisher's PDF. If this is not the case, it is possible to self-archive the final draft. Publishers tell about their self-archiving or parallel publishing policy on their website. It can also be checked from Open Policy Finder. Self-archiving is done in open public repository, such as University of Turku Current Research Information System UTU-CRIS, which is non-commercial. Turku University has a prior license model, which is internationally called Rights Retention Strategy, RRS. This means that the article is made immediately openly available in the university's publication repository, regardless of any restrictions imposed by the publisher. This is self-archiving under a Creative Commons license without any publication delay, that is embargo. The university has described the model on its website. This means that the author does not need to notify the publisher. The author, however, must agree on self-archiving and the use of the prior license model with the co-authors. Prior license model applies only to the peer-reviewed article manuscript, not to the published version of the article. It does not apply to other publication types. Any embargo set in the publisher's publishing agreement does not apply, as prior licensing precedes the publishing agreement. The publisher retains the rights to the published version of the article as defined in the publishing agreement. Through prior licensing, the researcher retains the rights to the peer-reviewed manuscript and its self-archiving. For assistance, please check utuguides.fi/guides in English or contact us via email to library or researchportal@utu.fi.